Salve, salve galera, como vocês estão? Desejo que bem. E nesse vídeo de hoje a gente faz um ensaio no estúdio Oura com a modelo Juliana, utilizando a Sony A7iii e a lente 85 1.8 da Sony na íntegra por trás da cena. Fica ligado. Vamos criar.
What is freedom? I think I stole this from Bob Dylan, but maybe I stole this from Woody Guthrie. Freedom for me is waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night, and in between doing exactly what I want to do. What's the secret to happiness? The secret to happiness is finding something you love and then doing that for the rest of your life.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. Living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
isso aí, galera, por hoje é só. Muito obrigado pela sua presença única por aqui. Se gostou do vídeo, deixa o seu like, se inscreve ali embaixo para novos conteúdos e a gente se vê na próxima. Continue criando.